can do 10 push-ups, maybe 20 if you're feeling strong, but every time you try to hit 100, you fail. You grind every day, yet nothing changes. Your arms burn, your chest gives up, and your brain screams, "Why am I not improving?" Here's the truth. The problem isn't your effort, it's your method. And once you learn this one secret, you'll never look at push-ups the same again. This isn't one of those do 100 push-ups for 30 days challenges. That's a shortcut that gets you nowhere. This is the same training principle elite calisthenics athletes use to go from average endurance to monster strength and control. I call it the ladder push-up method. And trust me, after you try it, you'll think of me and say, "Thank you, but let me warn you, 99% of people who start this will quit within the first few days." Why? Because this method exposes weakness fast. It forces you to push past comfort into that deep zone where your muscles are begging you to stop. But that's where real growth happens, the kind that most people never experience. See, most people train like this: 5 sets of 15 push-ups every session. Looks organized, feels productive, but you're not building endurance. You're just repeating comfort. You'll never reach 80 or 100 that way. The secret? Fewer sets, deeper effort. Push each one to true failure, to that point where your arms physically collapse under you. That's when your nervous system adapts and your body starts upgrading. Here's how it works. Start with the hardest variation you can handle, like decline push-ups. Go until absolute failure. Then drop to normal push-ups. No break. Keep going until failure. Next, switch to incline push-ups. Same rule. Go until failure. Finally, finish with knee push-ups. Squeeze every rep until you literally can't move. That's one ladder. Do it 2 or 3 times a day, 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll go from 10 push-ups to 50, then 80, and maybe even 100 in just a few months. This method works because it trains strength, endurance, and recovery in one flow. You're not just doing push-ups, you're teaching your body to fight through fatigue and recruit every fiber you have. That's how real progress looks. Not fancy, just brutal and effective. And if you're tired of guessing what to train next, check out my 1-year calisthenics plan. It'll take you from beginner to handstands, front levers, and full body control, all mapped step by step. Stop repeating the same 15 reps forever. Train smarter, not just harder. Subscribe and start building the body that actually deserves 100 push-ups.